Karnataka is set to introduce a comprehensive data center policy to strengthen infrastructure for artificial intelligence and next generation computing. The announcement was made by Bengaluru Business Corridor Chairman and Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar's financial advisor L.K. Atik at the GCC Summit 2026 in Bengaluru. Atik said the policy would focus on building sustainable data centers with reliable power and water supply. He said the move would support the state's larger vision of becoming a leading AI hub. He also said Karnataka is working on India's first public sector-led AI university and a world-class AI hub. The final location is yet to be decided. He said the university will focus on AI research, skill development, commercialization of AI solutions, and public digital infrastructure. The AI hub, he said, would help startups by providing shared infrastructure, including affordable access to high-end GPU computing. A vision group with participation from the private sector will also be formed to guide the project. Atik said the government aims to use AI to improve governance by responsibly using public data and finding solutions in sectors such as agriculture, healthcare, education, and climate. On infrastructure, he said Karnataka is investing nearly 1.5 lakh crore rupees to improve Bengaluru's connectivity. He added that work has begun on the 25,000 crore rupees Bengaluru Business Corridor, which will connect key economic hubs, including the airport, Whitefield, Sarjapur, and Electronic City. Highlighting Karnataka's technology ecosystem, Atik said that the state has more than 1,080 global capacity centers, accounting for nearly 30% of India's total, while Bengaluru is home to around 34% of the country's GCC workforce.